Creativity and an artistic spirit seem to come naturally to Ashevillians, making Asheville the place to discover amazing art and artists. This is the River Arts District, and it's the nexus of the artist and maker scene here in Asheville. It's made up of over 22 historical and industrial buildings that line the French Broad River. There are over 200 artists working here in every medium imaginable. And I'm on my way to visit an artist with a style all her own. So tell me about the River Arts District.
Being a part of the River Arts District is like being in the flow of creativity. What people experience, it's beyond what a gallery can offer. Once they visit here, they want to find ways to get back here.
I'm inspired by being here in this space. This is so amazing. I just want to get to see you make something.
I use vinegar and water and exposure to the natural elements. So sometimes they're rusting outside for weeks, sometimes months. And I approach each one as its own energy.
Another unique spot in Wedge Studios is Splurge. Artist Robert Nicholas can be found working on projects right here in his showroom. His specialty is custom lighting and using vintage objects to make new artful creations. Just a few miles away in downtown are many more artist studios, galleries, and shops featuring locally made items. Instagram-worthy Horse and Hero is a one-stop shop for works in all mediums at all price points. Affordable, eclectic, and uniquely Appalachian is the name of the game here. This permanent location was born from an annual community bazaar called the Big Crafty. At our next stop, you can not only buy a work of art, but you can see it being made firsthand. Lexington Glassworks offers daily demonstrations of the mesmerizing art of glassblowing. Their most popular items are gorgeous fine art pieces that are scooped up by tourists and locals alike. Their passion is creating custom lighting that they ship around the world. A few blocks away is something a little sweeter that I can't wait to try. The Asheville Bee Charmer is all about things honey. Step up to the tasting bar where a bee-rista will lead you through a tasting of infused honeys. They spotlight local beekeepers and feature honey-related products from around the world. Creativity is thriving in this vibrant mountain town. Now all you have to do is come and sample it.